Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can check which theme is installed in a website. So for example, if a website that is based on WordPress platform and you want to check which WordPress theme is installed, how you can get that information. Here you can go and search for theme detector. So here you can see these are multiple websites that allows you to check any WordPress theme. For example, I want to check for this website. I can copy URL and here I can paste this URL, then click on the button, and within a few seconds I will get all the report about this website. So let me scroll down. Here you can see, so generate press theme is installed in this website. If I scroll down, here you can see these are more information. So these are the plugin informations. In this way you can easily get information about any website that is built on WordPress.